Hey, Hazel, what are you doing here? Hammy, what up? What? Shut up. Hazel Findlay has been highballing around Chamonix. You need a lot of crash pads for highballing, and I've got the connect. Magnus Midtbo quits competitive climbing. In the statement on Facebook, the Finnish strongman said it was a relief to start a new chapter in his life with more focus on climbing outside. If I'm honest, I was never a huge fan. What a man. Edu Marin goes full hippie, living in his van, slacklining. He's probably vegan too.
Anybody want salad? Thank you. Perfect.
Steve McClure is making progress on his 9A, 9A Plus Malum project with a new high point.
Let's get high. Let's get high. Come on, let's get high.
No joke, I'm properly impressed. Especially since his first trad rack looks like this. Mother's Day in the US. If you follow social media as closely as I do, you'll have seen posts from pro climbers getting all gooey about their lovely mums. Whatever, mums are overrated. Hello? Mother? It's your son, Brian. Hello? 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 Mum? Tommy Caldwell finally releases his biography, The Push. That's what I was gonna call my book. Okay, now, piss off. I need to work on some book titles. Views from the Throne? No. The Browning? Ooh. The Porcelain Prince.